Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a makeup haul. I have stuff from Ulta, I have Colourpop, Kylie Cosmetics, so a few different places, and I am super excited to share these with you guys. Some of these things I got like over a month ago and I still haven't used it yet, just because I've been waiting to put everything together into a haul so that I could film this and get this up for you guys. So I'm going to start with Colourpop because that's what's like right on top here. And this is from the Disney Princess collection, which I obviously had to get. So the first thing that I got is this eyeshadow palette, and it's called It's a Princess Thing. And the packaging is just so cute. It has all the princesses on it. And then the colors are just beautiful. And they're all named after like Disney characters. Then I got the Ariel and the Belle collection set. And they each come with a lipstick, eyeshadow, and lip gloss. So this is the Belle one. Super pretty. Again, packaging is so cute. The eyeshadow is like a purple. The lip gloss is like a metallic pink. And then I will show you the lipstick. It's just a beautiful, like, rosy kind of color. Super pretty. And also what I love on the lipsticks is that it has all like the princesses like signatures. It's so cute. I absolutely love it. And the eyeshadow has the castle on it. Now for Ariel, the eyeshadow is a green color and the lip gloss is just a super pretty nude. And the lipstick is also a nude color and it is so beautiful. And like just the feel of like the packaging for the lipsticks feels so high quality. I love it. And this is the green eyeshadow. Super bright. So super excited to have these. I think like the majority of the things were sold out, so I literally just got what I could. But I don't even want to throw out the packaging. Like, it's so cute. Ugh. I got one thing from Sigma. I actually got a liquid lipstick because I've never tried any of their makeup before, just their brushes. But I got this liquid lipstick in the shade Anti-Venom, and I love the packaging. It's super sleek, and it's just like a pinky nude color. Obviously, like what other color am I gonna get? Then I got two lip kits from Kylie. I got the shades Pumpkin and Kylie. Kylie literally looks like the perfect pinky nude lip. And the pictures of it on Instagram just looked so beautiful. So that's the color. And then Pumpkin just looked like a perfect color for fall and winter. So it's like an orangey brown kind of color. Very excited to try this out. Then the last two things I got from Ulta. So every year, you know, Too Faced comes out with their Christmas holiday collection. The only thing I really wanted from this was this melted liquid lipstick set. They're mini. Actually, are they mini or are they full size? Oh, I think they're... Yeah, I think these are mini. But they're all holiday colors. So this one is pumpkin spice, this one is sugar cookie, and then cinnamon bear and hot buttered rum. And it says that they're actually supposed to smell like it. So I don't know. Let's try. Let me try the sugar cookie. And like the packaging like on the lids are so cute. So let me see if it actually smells like it. Oh my god. It really does. Okay, now I have to try another one. Let's see, Cinnamon Bear. And the colors are beautiful too. Ooh. That doesn't smell like cinnamon really, but I don't know, I don't like the way that one smells. And then pumpkin spice. Hopefully this one smells good. That kind of smells like pumpkin spice. And then the last one is hot buttered rum. That one smells really good. So I'm very excited to start using these. Then I just picked up a matte setting spray by NYX. I really love this one. I wished it came in a bigger size because I can run out of this so quickly, but this is one of my favorite finishing sprays. Then I got the Hello Happy foundation from Benefit. I really just wanted to try a new foundation, so I'm curious to see how this one will work. I really like the packaging. I think it's super cute. Not a fan of the applicator though, but I am very excited to try this. Maybe I will do a first impression of this foundation. We shall see. Hopefully I got the right shade. Then I got two mascaras from Tarte. This one, the Lifted mascara, I actually got from, oh my god. Oh man. This one I got from BoxyCharm using my points or whatever, so this was actually like a free gift from BoxyCharm, but I just realized that the color is black brown. What a buzzkill. Because I have never tried this mascara before and I really wanted to try it. And the packaging is so cute, oh my gosh. But I'm really bummed that it's brown. Oh man. I don't know, maybe for like my bottom lashes if I'm going for a more natural look. Well, what are you gonna do? And then the other mascara that I got, which at least I got this in the right color. This is the Lights Camera Lashes mascara. I have used this before and I already love it. And I just thought this packaging was super cute with the gold and then the pink flamingos all over it. So I picked this one up. I don't know if you could see the flamingos on it, but they're always coming out with limited edition like packaging for this mascara. So that is everything for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe and I will see you next time.